Welcome back to the channel. So today, the build is for the starknobs para dun sa may workbench. So it's a short build. I started off by printing out some templates or mga drawings para sa starknob. You could easily do this by drawing circles, pero mas madali yung gantong process. So I cut it out and then dinikit ko lang siya sa may kahoy using wood glue. And then I went off to center punch all the points kung saan ako mag-drill using the Forstner bit. Sa pagbutas nito, na hindi naman kailangan na may drill press. You could easily do this with a regular drill, corded or cordless. And at this part, it's very important na lagi nyong nililinis yung Forstner bit before going through any holes kasi it might obscure or dumumi yung pagkakauka ng bilog. So after drilling the front, I turn it over and then drill the back side para mas malinis yung pinakabutas. After that, I change the bit to a hole saw and then binutas ko na yung pinakagitna. Same process, harap muna and then at the back side para mas malinis yung cut. So it would roughly look like this. And to polish it up or para mawala yung mga kanto, I just screwed in a black screw and then kinabit ko sa drill tsaka ako nilinis or tinanggal yung mga corners using the grinder with the flap disc. Then back again to the drill using the same Forstner bit na pinangbutas ko dun sa mga gilid to make a recess. Ito naman para dun sa may gagamitin kong threaded insert para nakalubog siya. So ito yung threaded insert. You could easily buy it I think anywhere or Shopee or Lazada. Meron din available. And that's what the recess is for. Para nakalubog yung threaded insert pagka tinred ko na siya. So yung threaded insert is driven using the Allen wrench. Different sizes ng Allen wrench for different sizes ng threaded inserts. And since nandun pa yung template na dinikit ko na papel, I just cleaned it up using a sander hanggang maging makinis na siya and malinis. And then to clean it better, I used a Dremel to clean all the curves na ginawa ng Forstner bit. So this is how it looks. It's a pretty fast build. And is it necessary for the shop? Well, you could use other knobs if you want. You could even buy na gawa na. But then again, mas magandang tignan yung kahoy lahat yung nasa shop mo. And of course, pag gawa mo, you take pride in making one. So, ginamit ko dun sa may jack wrap and paper roll dispenser. Para pagka pinasok ko na yung dalawa using a rod, siya yung magiging locking mechanism ko naman para hindi tumalon yung pinaka-rod. So, thank you for watching this episode and I hope you follow and subscribe to the channel for more build videos and tips and tricks on woodworking. Thank you!